Hi, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex, and on different assets, and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video, I shared 8 altcoins which were expected to give profit within next 24 hours. And the first coin was XRP US dollar, but I could not share the idea of XRP US dollar because my limit for sharing the ideas on TradingView was full. But that idea is executed. Let me just show you XRP US dollar. I'm just going to show you this idea on live chart. And this was the idea based on 2-hour chart, and you can see on this 2-hour chart the price action formed a bullish crab pattern. And when I shared the idea or shared the idea in video with you, then the price action just hit the spike in this potential reversal zone, and after that the price action took the bullish divergence and hit this sell zone. But I think the price action can take the bullish divergence again from this potential reversal zone. Then I shared this chart of IOTA US dollar, and the price action has hit the sell zone. Here we can see the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone almost up to 0.50 Fibonacci, even more than 0.618 Fibonacci, almost up to 0.786 Fibonacci. Then I shared this chart of EOS US dollar with you, and on this chart the price action formed a complete cipher pattern, and from this potential reversal zone the price action took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone almost up to 0.618 Fibonacci. However, I think this trade is still valid, and the price action can take again the bullish divergence and hit another spike within this potential reversal zone. Then I shared this trade, and on this trade the price action of TRX US dollar formed a complete bullish chart, and the price action took the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and hit almost up to 0.618 Fibonacci of this sell zone. Then I shared this idea of ADA or Cardano US dollar, and on this chart the price action was forming a bullish cipher pattern, and I was expecting that the last leg will be completed and the price action will enter in this potential reversal zone. Now let's see what happened after that. The price action entered in the potential reversal zone and took the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone almost up to 0.50 Fibonacci. But I think this trade is still valid, and the price action will again take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and hit the sell zone again. Then I shared this idea of Stellar US dollar, the XLM US dollar, and on this chart I was expecting that the price action will complete the last leg of bullish cipher pattern because all legs were driven as required for the cipher pattern. And after playing this, we can see the price action entered in the potential reversal zone here at this point, and in the same candle the price action has hit the sell zone. However, this trade is still valid. The price action will again take the bullish divergence and hit the sell zone very soon. Then I shared this trade of XMR or Monero US dollar, and on this chart the price action was forming a bullish shark pattern because all legs were driven as required for the bullish shark pattern. Therefore, I was expecting that the last leg will be driven or retraced as required for the bullish shark. And now let's see, after playing, we can see that the price action entered in this candle in the potential reversal zone and took the huge bullish divergence and hit more than 0.618 Fibonacci of this sell zone. However, this trade is also still valid. The price action can take the bullish divergence again from this potential reversal zone and hit the sell zone very soon. Then I shared the Litecoin or LTC US dollar trade with you, And on this chart, the price action after initial leg, the price action retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci, and the B2C leg was retraced between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci. And I was expecting that after when all legs are driven as required for the cipher pattern, then the last leg will be driven or retraced as required for the cipher pattern, which is from 0.618 up to maximum 0.786 Fibonacci. And now we can see the price action has entered in this potential reversal zone. So it can take the bullish divergence. Even it has taken the bullish divergence at this candle, and we can see the price action has hit more than 0.618 Fibonacci. However, this trade is still valid, and the price action can take bullish divergence again and hit the sell zone very soon. Now let's move to today's altcoins. Our first trade for today altcoin is the Raiden or Raiden network Bitcoin pair. And on this trade, you can see the price action has formed a bullish crab pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And I have set myself targets accordingly. The AD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. You can also see these targets here. And when you will visit my Tradingview portal, I will share the link in the video. Then you can find these all charts here. Our second coin is ENJ or Enjin US dollar coin. And this chart, you can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And these are the targets you can see here. And our next trade is Waves US dollar. And on this chart, you can see the price action has completed the formation of bullish cipher pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone. This trade has the potential to give up to 15% profit. And these are the targets you can see in the chart description. Our next coin is ERD US dollar, which is expected to give the profit within next 24 hours. And on this chart, I'm expecting that the last leg of the cipher will be completed and the price action will be entered in this potential reversal zone soon, because all the legs are driven as required for the cipher pattern. Our next cryptocurrency or altcoins for today is Cardano US dollar, the ADA US dollar, and on this chart we can see the price action is forming a bearish shark pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. Even if I'll play the idea, we can see the price action has completely entered in the potential reversal zone. And these are the targets I have defined here. You can also find these targets in this chart description. Our last idea is Wanchain or Wan US dollar, and on this chart you can see the price action is forming a bullish bad pattern, and after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 50 Fibonacci, and B to C leg is retraced between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So after all legs are confirmed as required for the bad pattern, I'm expecting that the last leg or final leg will be completed as required for the bad pattern from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. The volume profile is showing very low interest of the traders at the PRZ level, and do remember in our all trades, this PRZ or potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point. If a complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from this trade. The MACD is still strong bearish and the stochastic is oversold but did not give bull cross so far. If we'll wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish or for the stochastic to give the bull cross, then that will be more safe to enter in this trade. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the complete video. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. I've also shared the link of Tradingview in the chart description. You just need to click on that link, and when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select this people option. And after selecting this people option, you just need to write Moon 333. And you will find my link here. Just need to click on this link. my page will be open and you can follow any of these charts available on my portal. And I'm also sharing the Binance link in the video's description. If you don't have an account on Binance Exchange, then you should create an account there, because the Binance is the exchange which has the largest volume of every cryptocurrency. Thank you so much again. Take care. Goodbye.